Hello student, this is the 22nd part of functions. Today I am going to start a new topic in this function, that is even and odd functions. Functions are classified into two. Actually functions are classified into three types: even functions, odd functions, neither even nor odd functions. Okay, first of all I want to define what is the definition of even function and odd function. F of x, the function is given, is said to be even if observe, f of minus x should be equal to f of x for every x belongs to its domain. So this is the definition of even function. F of minus x equal f of x for every x belongs to domain. So what is the meaning of that? In given function, instead of x you write minus x, again you get the same function, then you can say that is said to be even function. For example, f of x is taken as x square. Find f of minus x. What is that? Minus x whole square. What is minus x whole square? X square only. X square means f of x only. So what you got? F of minus x equal f of x. F of minus x equal f of x. For every x belongs to domain. What is the domain of this function? All real numbers. Any x it happens. Means what is the meaning of that? This function is even function. Means f of x equal to x square is an even function. Okay. Let's take another one. Say f of x equal to cos x. Cos x. Find f of minus x. That is cos of minus x. Cos of minus theta plus cos theta only. Cos of minus x, cos x only. Cos x only. Cos x means what I can write here? F of x I can write. What I got? F of minus x equal to f of x. So cos function also even function. Okay. So any function satisfies this definition, the function is said to be even. Okay. So what I gave examples: f of x is equal to x square, x power 4, x power 6. So these all are examples for even functions. So cos x, secant x, f of cos x, f of secant x, f of x equal to sin square x, like that. These all functions are even functions. Okay. Here definition is given, students. Listen. A function f of x is called an even function if f of minus x equal f of x. For all x belongs to df means domain of f. Clearly, every even function is symmetrical about the line x equal to 0. For example, I will show you. Yeah, f of x equal x square. Even function only, no? Y equal x square. Draw the graph of this function. Automatically it's parabola only, you know that. So this graph is symmetrical about y axis only, no? What is the meaning of that? All symmetrical, all even functions are symmetrical about the line x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means y axis. Important note. If any graph is symmetrical about x axis, about y axis or small x equal to 0, then I can call it is an even function. Okay. Observe cos function also. Say cos function also. Cos function. This is cos function. Just like this is line of symmetry. No? Line of symmetry. Because this line dividing the total figure into two equal parts. Okay. So cos function also symmetrical about y axis or x equal to 0. See here, students, this is y equal x square graph. Okay, symmetrical about y axis or sometimes x equal to 0. Y axis name is x equal to 0. So this is y equal to mod x. It is also symmetrical about y axis. So this is cos graph, just now explained. So graphs of even functions are symmetrical about y axis, that is small x equal to 0, should remember. Okay. What is the definition of odd function? I will explain. Odd function. Odd, even completed, no, odd. F of minus x equal to f of x, for example, for every x belongs to domain. What I can even function? Definition of even function. Instead of x, you write minus x in the given function. Again, you get same f of x. Then you can say that given function is even. So f of minus x equal minus f of x. For example, you got like that. then you can say that given function is odd function. F of minus x should be equal to minus f of x. So I will give an example for that. For example, f of x is going to x cube now. What is f of minus x? Minus x cube. Minus x cube. Minus it, instead of this x cube, f of x I can write. What you got here? F of minus x equal to minus f of x. Such functions are called odd functions. So, yeah, what is x cube function is odd function. Okay. For example, f of x is given as sin x is given. Already observed cos function is even function. F of minus x should find sin of minus x. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta minus sin x. Minus instead of sin x, what I can write? F of x I can write. What I got? F of minus x equal to minus f of x. Means what type of function this? This is an odd function. Therefore, sin function is odd function. So, any function satisfies this definition, then that is said to be the odd function. Students, okay. Now listen. Odd function definition. A function f of x is called an odd function if f of minus x equal minus f of x for all x belong to df, means it is domain. So, few example problems. F of x equal x cube, f of x equal sin x, f of x equal to tan x, okay, f of x equal to x power 5, like that. These all are few examples for odd functions. Okay. Now, important thing is odd functions are symmetrical about origin. Odd functions are symmetrical about origin means origin is the point of symmetry for all odd functions. Point of symmetry, already everyone knows the meaning of point of symmetry. Okay, taking this point as fixed, if total graph is rotated 180 degree, again you get the original graph. Then you can say that the graph will have a point of symmetry. The point is called point symmetry. The graph has having point symmetry. That point is called point of symmetry. So all graphs of odd functions are symmetrical about origin. Should remember. Okay. Important note. Very, very important note. I will explain this note, students. This here. For example, this is the graph of y equal x square. So y equal x square symmetrical about the line x equal to 0 or sometimes called y axis. If total graph of y square shifted to this point, for example, so this is A. Now what is the name of this line? Now I can say this is x equal A line. Now this total graph is symmetrical about the line x equal to A. Understood? Understood? What is the meaning of that? The graph of function f of x symmetrical about the line x equal to A, then f of A plus x equal to f of A minus x. Okay. Observe here. F of A plus x equal to f of A minus x. If A equal to 0, what happened to this f of x equal to f of minus x? No, even function definition. So this also starts even function definition. Then this function I can write f of 0 plus x equal to f of 0 minus x. I can write. What I am saying, this function is symmetrical about the line x equal to 0, x equal to 0, x equal to 0. Then what I can say, if any function satisfies this condition, the function is symmetrical about the line x equal to A, x equal to A, x equal to A. That's why if the function satisfies the condition A plus f of A plus x equal to f of A minus x, directly I can say that the function is symmetrical about the line x equal to A. Okay, that's why here given the definition. If the graph of the function f of x symmetrical about the line x equal to A, then this happens. Or this happens, you can say that this is the line of symmetry for that graph. Okay, sure. For similar odd also same. F of minus x equal to f of minus f of x, or in other words f of 0 minus x equal to minus f of 0 plus x. Then I can say this odd function. So this is symmetrical about the line about the point origin. Okay. Now similarly, if instead of 0 I wrote A, f of A minus x equal to minus f of A plus x, then this is said to be symmetrical odd function, and it is symmetrical about the point A comma 0. This is about 0 comma 0 origin. No? Instead of A we have 0, then instead of A we have A only. a comma 0. That's why the function is symmetrical about the point a comma 0. Now I am finalizing. Students, listen. A function f of x satisfies f of minus x equal to f of x for every x belongs to its domain, then it is said to be even. F of minus x equal to minus f of x, then it is said to be odd. So x square is even function, x power 4 is even function, cos x is even function. Okay. Next, x cube function is odd function, x power 5 is odd function, sin function is odd function. For example, a function is taken as f of x equal to x square plus 4 is taken. What type of function that? Okay, just to find f of minus x, just to find f of minus x. Minus 1 whole square plus 4, minus x plus whole square plus 4, x square plus 4. Same f of x you are getting. The meaning of that given function is even. Given function, and this is even function. For example, f of x equal to x square minus 4 is given. What type of function that? Don't think that is even. Need to check. F of x is given as x square minus 4. F of minus x equal to minus x whole square minus 4. Minus x square and x square minus 4. So what happened? Again I am getting same f of it. Now I can say it is even function. Okay, just observing the function, you can't say none is even or odd. You need to verify. By using definition we can verify. That's why what happened here, f of minus x equal to f of x. Now I can say that is an even function. Okay. Friends, listen. F of x equal to some x square minus x given. Now we want to check what type of function is this. What type of function is either even or odd. Okay, f of minus x should find minus x whole square minus x. So this is x square plus x. This is not equal to f of x. Is not equal to f of x. Not equal to f of x. What is the meaning of that? F of minus x not equal to f of x means given function not even. One thing. Next, try to write this in the form minus f of x. If happen, then it is said to be odd. That's do one thing. Take minus common from here. Minus you take common. What happened? You get x minus x square. So this is not x minus x square. Means it is also not equal to f of minus x. Sorry, it is not equal to minus f of x. What is the meaning of that? This is neither even nor odd. Okay, what is the conclusion? A function is given, it may be even or it may be odd, or third situation it may be neither even nor odd. Okay, so here neither even nor odd. F of minus x is not equal to f of x, or minus f of x, then f of x is neither even nor odd. Some examples: sin x plus cos x is given, sin x plus cos x is given, so let it be f of x. Find f of minus x. What happened? Sin of minus x plus cos of minus x. Sin of minus sin x, cos of minus x cos x only, equal to f of minus x. This is not equal to f of x. Also take minus common. What happened? Sin x minus cos x you will get. This is not equal to f of minus x also. That's why given function is not even, not odd, means neither even nor odd. Like that some functions are given here. Okay, now we need to solve some problems based on concept. Which of the following is an odd function? Odd function. This is even function. We know that directly. Cos function is even function only. Just we need to check now. Just we need to check. Find f of, for example, second option is taken. Find f of minus x. There is 2 minus x whole square. 2 minus x square. Same f of x I am getting. So it is also even. This is even. This is even. Okay. I think this is neither even nor odd. Yeah. So automatically, so you need to check fourth one. F of minus x equal what, Nana? Minus x cube minus half minus x. What happened? Minus x cube here, you will get x. Take minus common. What you will get? X cube minus x, which is nothing but f of x. So f of minus x equal, I got minus f of x. That's why I can say that this function is odd. According to the question, fourth is correct. Second question, f of x is equal to something given is the odd function. Means what is indirectly given? F of x equal to minus f of x. Okay. What is f of minus x? A into minus x power 5 plus b into minus x cube plus c into minus x plus d should be equal to minus time of ax power 5 plus bx cube plus cx plus d. Now I want minus x power 5 means minus x power 5 that is a minus a into x power 5 minus b into x cube minus cx plus d is equal to minus ax power 5 minus bx cube minus cx minus d. First result, this get cancelled, this get cancelled, this get cancelled. So d transfer this side, d plus d equal to 0, 2d equal to 0, d must and should 0 only. Means d equal to 0, then only this become an odd function. Okay, no interesting problem, important problem, because a function whose graph is symmetrical about the y-axis. Which function graph is symmetrical about y-axis? Even function. Indirectly asking which of the following is even functions. Actually, students, descriptive type we need to check all. But this is a logic question. See last option, see last option, see last option. X square. What type of function x square? Even only. A function whose graph is symmetrical about the y-axis, indirectly asking which of the following is even function. Directly fourth one is even function. So this is single answer type question. Directly I can say 4 is the answer. I no need to check 1, 2, 3. If problem is given in the descriptive or problem is given multi-type, we need to check 1, 2, 3 also. But here I don't want to check remaining options because this is single answer type question. Directly I will move with option 4. Okay. Next, f of x is given something. Now what type of function that you need to find? Just you need to find f of minus x. If it is equal to f of x, then you can say that it is even. Minus into f of x, then you can say it's odd. Okay. Yeah, f of x is equal to x by e power x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. Just to find f of minus x. Minus x by e power minus x minus 1 plus minus x by 2 plus 1. Simplifications required here. Okay. Minus x by 1 by e power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. I want to write here. Students listen. Minus x by 1 minus e power x by e power x. This one. Minus x by 2 plus 1. Logical question. So minus x into e power x by 1 minus e power x minus x by 2 plus 1. Okay, what I should do now? I want to take minus common in numerator and denominator. What I will get? E power x into x by e power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. This is f of minus x. Yeah, but in problem here you want x, you don't want e power x. That's why what I should do here. So e power x minus 1 means so I want to add one x, subtract one x, numerator of this. I will write here. E power x into x plus x minus x by e power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. Why I did like this? So, but here I want only in the function x by e power x minus x only I want. But what you got here? E power x. I want to remove e power x. That's why I added x, subtracted x. Now, listen students, from these two I can take x common. E power x minus 1 plus x by e power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. Okay. Now I want split. Listen now. So, yeah, x into e power x minus 1 by e power x minus 1 plus x by e power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. These two get cancelled. What will get? X plus x by e power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. So observe student, these two are like terms. Just like plus 1 1 minus half, just like, what is that? 1 by 2 only, no? 1 by 2 into x plus x by e power x minus 1 plus 1. So I want to write in order x by e power x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. Actually, what is this? F of minus x actually. What you got now? Observe now. Same thing you got. See, same thing you got. What is the meaning of that? F of x only. So what you got? F of minus x equal to f of x. So what is the meaning of that? Given function is even function. What I can say? My answer is 2. Second option. Okay. So logical question. I should take care of this. The fifth question. Which of the following is an even function? Oh, difficult model, because we need to check all we need to check. Okay, here also objective type question only, that too single. Now I will check option 1. If it is correct, I don't want, no need to check 2, 3, 4. If 2 is correct, no need to check 3, 4, like that. So first of all, I want to take first one. F of x equal to a power x plus a power minus x by a power x minus a power minus x. So f of minus x I am finding. A power minus x plus a power minus half means plus x only by a power minus x minus half minus plus x only. What I should do now? I want to take minus common in numerator as it is. Denominator I am taking minus common. What will get? A power x minus a power minus x. So this is nothing but, observe student, what will get here? A power x plus a power minus x by a power x minus a power minus x. This is not the f of x only. No? So what you got? Minus f of x you got. So what I got? F of minus x equal to minus into f of x. What type of function? Odd function. So this is odd. But what you want? Even. That's the first option is not correct. First function is odd function. Now I want to move to the second one. F of x is equal to a power x plus 1 by a power x minus 1. F of minus x I am finding a power minus x plus 1 by a power minus x minus 1. So 1 by a power x plus 1 by a power x minus 1. Okay students, so 1 plus a power x by a power x into reverse will get a power x by 1 minus a power x. These two get cancelled. What will get Nana? 1 power a plus x by 1 minus a power x. So see, the 1 minus is extra. Take minus common. What happened? 1 plus a power x by a power x minus 1. This is nothing but f of x only. Minus f of x I got. So f of minus x equal to f of minus 1. This is also odd function only. So second also not correct. Okay, I want to check third question. F of x equal to x into a power x minus 1 by a power x plus 1. What should find? F of minus x should find. That is minus x into a power minus x minus 1 by a power minus x plus 1. Now I want to simplify this. Minus x into nana. This is 1 by a power x plus 1 by 1 by a power x plus 1. I think here minus. Okay. So here I want to write minus x as it is 1 minus a power x by a power x into a power x by a power x plus 1. These two get cancelled. So what will get? Do one thing. Multiply this minus with this bracket. What will get? X into a power x minus 1 by a power x plus 1. I think that only f of x. This is f of x. So what we got? F of minus x equal to f of x. Okay, what I can say? F of minus x, f of x is given function, even function. So this is even. So my answer is 3. Now I don't want to check fourth. Okay. So log of x minus 3. What type of function? Logarithmic function. Logarithmic function. This is a log of x graph. Logarithmic function is not neither even nor odd, neither even, because this function is not symmetrical about y-axis, and this is not symmetrical about the origin or any point of the form a comma 0. Okay, this graph is not symmetrical about y-axis or any vertical line, and this graph is not symmetrical about origin or any point of the form a comma 0. That's why logarithmic graph is neither even nor odd. Okay, or theoretical also can cross check, that is not a big problem. Find f of minus x, log of minus x minus 3. What is this? Minus of minus x, this should be negative. Actually, x minus should be greater than 0. To define the logarithm, x should be greater than 3. 3 and more than 3. 3 and more than 3 means, for example, 4. Instead of x, you taken 4. So, minus 4 minus 3, negative number. No, so it is not defined. Functionally not defined. So, neither even nor odd. Okay, our seventh problem. F is an even function and g is an odd function. Then f into g function is what type? Okay, do one thing. F of minus x given as f of x. G of minus x is given as minus g of x, because f is even and g is odd. So, let h of x is equal to a new function, that is f of x into g of x. Now, you want cross check what type of function is this. Just to find f of minus x. If it is gives h of x, then I can say that this function is even. If it gives minus of h of x, then I can say it is odd. Okay. So, f of minus x into g of minus x. F of minus x means f of x only I can write. G of minus x is minus into g of x I can write, into this one, into bracket. So, what is the meaning of minus f of x into g of x, which is odd only, no? Which is odd. H of minus x equal what I got? Minus h of x. Therefore, f into g is an odd function, odd. So, I can say that 2 is correct answer for this. Okay. Next question, students, 8th question. Yeah. F of x is equal to px square plus qx power 4 plus r, even powers. Okay. Then f2 be an even function. If f is even function, what values of pqr this happens? That is the question. What is given? An f of minus x equal to f of x is given indirectly. F of minus x means what? P into minus x square plus q into minus x power 4 plus r should be equal to px square plus qx power 4 plus r. So, what is this? Px square only, because minus x whole square, x square only, plus qx power 4 plus r equal to px square plus qx power 4 plus r. Both are equal. See, both are equal irrespective of a comma b comma p comma q comma r. Take instead of p comma q comma r any set of values, this statement is true. What is the meaning of that? P comma q comma r belongs to any real numbers. Any real numbers. So, I want to see the options. P comma q comma r can be any real number. This is correct answer. Okay, that's only the correct answer. No problem. Yeah, 9th question. F of x is an odd polynomial function. Odd polynomial function. Take any odd polynomial function. I can take f of x as x cube, because x cube is odd polynomial function only. No? Then mod of f of x or step of f of x, this one. Mod, I think. Okay. Mod of f of x. Okay. Mod of f of x, what type of function? This one. Okay. Do one thing. Mod of f of x means x cube I can write. Let it be h of x function. Now you want to check what type of function h of x. H of minus x should find. It is minus of minus x cube. That is mod of minus x cube. Obviously x cube only. Obviously h of x only. What is the meaning of that? The given function is an even function. Okay. An even function. Students, f of x is an odd function, odd polynomial function. Then f circle f of x, bracket f circle f of x. So this also you can use by using some example problem, examples. Okay, f of x is odd. Let f of x equal to x cube. Why I am taking x cube? Why I can't? Why I am not taking cos x or sin x or sin x? Because clearly polynomial function should take. That's why simple polynomial function is x cube only. F of x equal x cube. Odd only, no? So f circle f of x you want. F of x you want. F of x cube you want. So f of k form, f of k. F of k means k cube. K cube means x cube power 3. That is x cube. What happened? X cube and x cube. 3 times should add 9. So x power 9. F circle f of x equal x power 9. So f circle f of minus x what nana? Minus x power 9. What is that? Minus f circle f of x means what type of function? Odd function. So what I can say this odd function? I can say 2 is the correct answer for that. Yeah, students, 11th question, Nana. F of x is an even polynomial function. Then, okay, sin of f of x minus 3x. Let it be h of x. We want to find what type of function h of x. What is f of x, Nana, here? Even, that too polynomial function. Simplest even polynomial function is x square, Nana. Let f of x equal x square. Then what is h of x, Nana, here? Sin of x square minus 3x. Okay, now h of minus x I want. Sin of minus x whole square minus 3 into minus x. Sin of x square plus 3x. This is not equal to f of x. Okay, and even though it is not equal to minus f of x, what the meaning of that? Given function is neither even nor odd. Okay, so I will move with option 3 now. Yeah, next important question and important. I can write several stars for that. Important question is important. Okay, I will explain slowly this one because very important model. F of x and g of x are two functions. F of x comma g of x are two functions. Yeah, what type of function is this? Which one? H of x equal to f of x plus f of minus x into g of x minus of g of minus x. What type? How can you find? Just h of minus x should find, no? Why is h of minus x? If h of minus x, h of x, I can say that even. H of minus x, minus of h of x, odd. If h of minus x neither giving h of x or minus h of x, I can say that neither even or odd. Just I want to find h of minus x. That is equal f of minus x plus f of minus of means plus x only, that one, into g of minus x minus g of minus of means x only. Observe, students, these are interesting step we will get. Just a plus b or b plus a, both are same, just I will write a plus b only. F of x plus f of minus x. So this just like a minus b, but I want b minus a, I want to take minus common here, one minus. So reverse we will get what happened, g of x minus g of minus x. So this is important step for the problem. This is in the form of a minus b, but I want b minus a, that's why I took minus common here. So minus, observe, this is the, this one only. This is nothing but this one only. What is the meaning? Total is nothing but h of x. What I got? H of minus x equal to minus h of x. So what type of function is this one? Odd function. Therefore, h of x is odd function. H is odd function, not h of x. H is odd function. Okay. So always an odd function. First option is correct. Yeah, students. Yeah, 13th problem. F of x plus g of x equal to e power minus x. And f of x is an even function and g of x is odd. I will write given f of minus x equal to f of x, because f of x is an even. G of minus x should be equal to minus g of x, because given g of x odd. Then we want to find f of x value. Do one thing. Take f of x plus g of x equal to e power minus x. Do one thing now. Put x equal to minus x. So this is 1. What happened to 1 here? F of minus x plus g of minus x equal to e power minus half minus plus x. Instead of f of minus x, what I can write? F of x I can write. Instead of g of minus x minus g of x I can write equal to e power x. Okay, students. Say this is equation number 2. What do you want? F of x you want. If you add equation 1 with equation 2, what happened? G of x cancel. From there we will get f of x. Okay, now I will write here. This is an interesting question. 1 plus 2. These two get cancelled and while adding f of x, f of 2, f of x is equal to this plus this, e power minus x plus e power x. That's all. So you want to make f of x a subject. F of x equal to e power x plus e power minus x by 2. This is the f of x. Now you want cross check with options. This is not correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. Obviously, second is correct. Okay, 14th question. The function f of x equal to cos x is symmetrical about x equal to 0. The cos function is symmetrical about x equal to 0 means even function indirectly. So cos function is even only, no? Okay. Every even function is symmetrical about y-axis. Okay. Actually, you need to say that every even function is symmetrical about a vertical line. This is correct word other than y-axis. Okay, I can accept A is correct and R is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. So I will move with option 1. A function whose graph is symmetrical about x-axis. Again, which of the following is an even function indirectly? So first one I am taking f of x equal to cos of log of x plus root over x square plus 1. Important model, IMP model. Just to find f of minus x. Cos of log of x minus, plus, instead of x should write minus, no? Okay, minus x plus root over minus x square is x square only, x square plus 1. This is equal to cos of log of, okay, what I can write? Root over x square plus 1 minus x. Most of the students will make mistakes here now. They will write a answer for this problem as, where is that? For example, this is given in object type question. Which of the this function is dash, even, odd, neither even nor odd. They will tick neither even nor odd. See, so this is not equal to this. No? Observe these two. These two are not same, but answer is wrong. Neither even nor odd is wrong. So we need to simplify for this type of problems. Surds are involved. Okay, we need to rationalize that. Rationalizing numerator here. So cos of as it is, log as it is. Now I want to rationalize the numerator. So space is not sufficient for me. 1 minute. Students, here I will write is equal to cos of log of root over x square plus 1 minus x is there. This should be multiplied with root over x square plus 1 plus x and divide with root over x square plus 1 plus x. Okay, inside. So what happened to this? Cos of log of, a plus b into a minus b, numerator, a square minus b square, I will write here, x square plus 1 minus x square. This get cancelled. 1 will get 1 by root over x square plus 1 plus x. Okay. Okay. Next, this is equal to cos of logarithm of root over 1 plus x square plus x power minus 1, that one. 1 by a means what you can write? A power minus 1 you can write, no? Okay. Yeah, according to this law, log x power n to the base a equal to n into log x base a. What I can write that one? Is equal to cos of minus logarithm of root over x square plus 1 plus x. So cos of minus theta, cos, feel this is as theta, nana. Cos of minus theta, what? Cos theta only, no? Cos of log of root over x square plus 1 plus x. This only the f of x. Observe, these two are same. What you got? F of x you got. The meaning of that, f of minus x equal to f of x means what type of function? That even function. What is the question? Which of the following functions are symmetrical about the y-axis? Indirectly, which of the following are even functions? First only I got even function. I don't want checked remaining 3 options. Okay. If question is given in multi, you need to check the remaining options also. Okay, you people can check now. This is about 15th. Yeah, next 16th problem. The graph of the function y equal to f of x symmetrical about the line x equal to 2. Already clearly given. Any line, function is symmetrical about x is equal to a. That should have the form f of a plus x equal to f of a minus x. Explain. So instead of x here given 2, that is f of 2 plus x should be equal to f of 2 minus x. F of 2 plus x equal to 2 minus x. 2 plus x, 2 minus. Okay. Second option is correct. The 17th question is odd function, then d value. Already did this problem. 0 you got. Okay, I will show you. D value you got 0. Here. This is also 17th problem. For second problem, 17th problem both are same.